Yuan helps customers build a sugarcane leaf biomass pellet production line with an annual output of 200,000 tons. This biomass pellet production line with an annual output of 200,000 tons all uses mechanical equipment from Yuan. Let's take you to visit each section. This is raw material sugarcane leaves. This is T-Rex wood chipper, which can break the whole log into small wood chips. This is an all-in-one crushing and crushing machine, which can crush materials to a degree suitable for granulation at one time. This is a hydraulic silo, which caches crushed materials. The hydraulic silo can improve the automation of the entire production line and reduce labor on the production line. It can also reduce the dust in the workshop and optimize the working environment. This is the dryer, which dries the moisture in the material. Yuan's dryer is designed scientifically and has high thermal efficiency. Many dryers on the market only imitate our appearance, but cannot grasp the design principles, so their dryers do not dry well. This is the Yuan brand XGJ850 pellet machine, with a power of 250 kilowatts, and an hourly output of 3-4 tons. Yuan pellet machine can keep working for 24 hours, creating maximum profit for you. This is the cooling machine. The device is able to reduce the temperature and humidity of the pellets, which facilitates transportation and storage. This is a packaging machine. Yuan's packaging machines are divided into two types, small bag packaging machines and large bag packaging machines. Yuan is a big brand in the biomass pellet machine industry. Buy a biomass pellet machine, choose a big brand, choose Yuan.